girl, after a long break for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. Ain't no wig on this head. She's fully natural. Okay. Sometimes I want to do something different than wigs. Girl, I'm a do it DIY girl. I do everything myself, not only because I'm creative, but because I'm broke. If y'all have been here before, I know y'all already like me. We already cool. Like, we already here. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and just go ahead and click that notification bell just so you can see every single time I post. Because, girl, y'all already know I be out the game sometimes. I be tired. I don't know. So this video is about the nails, the manicure. I know Valentine's Day is coming up. We all want to look cute for Valentine's Day. Some of us like to save our money and get our nails done the most affordable way. If you cut corners at the nail salon, you can end up with a fungus under your nail bed. We ain't got time for that. I heard a long time ago on Tyra that this lady got a fungus that ate her leg off. That was it for me. I got anxiety. I cannot. What I will not do is have my leg ate off. Okay, I'm just not gonna do it. I've been doing my own nails for some years now. Recently, nail brands, press-on nails have been on point. It's not the Lee press-on nails from back in the day, girl. We got real popping press-on nails. They look like you went to the nail salon. These are the Kiss Jelly Fantasy nails. These are the ones I have on now, but in the tutorial you're going to see me using another brand of Kiss nails. The Kiss has the best variety, accessibility, and color range of nails. So I think you can get them for about $6 to $10 at most for a full pack from your local Target or any other place, Amazon or whatever, if you don't have a Target around you. They last for a full 2 weeks before anything starts to happen. And there's a certain method that I use that helps them to last for 2 weeks. A couple of things happen after 2 weeks. They're not in the same exact condition. They definitely grow out, and the ends, since I type a lot, the shape of them changes. It rounds out to more of like a roundish nail, which I don't mind. I also do press on toenails, so if y'all want to see a press on toenail video after watching this one, please let me know, because I've fallen in love with press on toenails. You won't catch me without them. So if y'all want to see my flawless, last for 2 weeks press on nail routine, please keep on watching, and then I'll be back. So we're going to start off by using our nails of choice. These are the Kiss Glam Fantasy nails. They have different colors, but you can use this set. I got it from Target. I also use this manicure set from the dollar store. An emery board, you can get that from the dollar store as well. And some nail polish remover and a cotton swab. Now we're going to start off with ashy hands. It's important that your hands be ashy and dry, no moisturizer on it, no sort of oils on it, because that's how we get the nails to stick. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and clip our nails. I try and clip them as low as possible because it makes it easier to attach the nails, and when they come off, you're not ripping your actual nail off. So I try and clip them down as low as I can, and then I just file them and shape them. So when I do take off my nails actually still do look neat if I take off my nails correctly. The great thing about press-on nails is that they don't really rip your nails as much as acrylic nails do, but they still look similar. So I file my nails down, and then I also file the bed of my nails. Is it the bed or the top of my nails, just to get them a little rough and get some texture to them, because the texture is what ensures that your nails are going to stay on. So I don't do it too much, just a light little file on top of the nail, just to make sure that the nails have some texture to it and they're roughed up just a little bit. It looks like I'm doing a lot, but if you do too much, you could really damage your nails. So just a little bit on the top. And I do that to every single nail. And then we're going to take our nail polish remover and remove all of the dust and all of the excess oils on our fingers, because like I said, we want it to be dry as a Sahara. So I make sure I go over every single nail and get all of the oils off. Next, we're going to push back our cuticles. Now, this is a step that I don't always do, especially if I'm in a rush. But if I have some time, I try and push back my cuticles. Now, I don't do this correctly. I just push them back a little bit, especially if my cuticles are a little bit far up. But I'm not really good at pushing back my cuticles, so I'm just trying to make sure um, the base of the nail looks correct, and when I place my nail, I want it to look like it's growing out of my nail bed, or it looks like acrylic. So if I find that when I push them back, it does look better, but it's not really a necessary step. So each one of these nails comes with a number under them. The number that appears on the nail is your nail size. So what I do is I start to pick the nails and then I size them to my fingers. And if they don't size correctly, I file down the size just to make sure they fit my nail bed and none of my nail is showing or the nail isn't too large. So I just make sure I file it around just to make sure it fits. And I go through every single nail and make sure the nail isn't popping through on either side or the nail isn't too big. Hopefully what I'm saying is making sense. And I just recently started filing the nails just to make sure they fit my nail bed perfectly, and it definitely makes the nails look a lot more natural. So I do the same thing on both sides of my nails. Now you could use the nail size and size one hand and just pull the same size nails for the other hand, or you can size each nail on both hands. That's what I typically do because your hands actually aren't made exactly the same. So now that we have them all laid out in order, we're going to add some more acetone and get the oils off of our nails before we start to place the nails on our fingers. So as you can see, we're dry and ready to go. And I'm going to take the glue that came inside of the box and I'm just going to add one dot and then placing the nail on my finger. I start from the cuticle first and then I press down the nail and I hold it for about 15 to 30 seconds. And I press down pretty hard, but you don't have to. Like I said, you do one dot. I usually do too much because I have very small fingers and the glue pops out of the nail. So you just have to be careful because when the glue does leak, you don't want it to get on your fingers because it turns into a whole mess. So just take your time, and when you're placing the nail, keep your fingers at the tip of the nail so the glue doesn't get on your fingers. And then once the nail is placed down, I place my thumb on top of the nail and I just press it down so that it stays. And I do this on every single finger, the same step over and over again. I know you guys basically get it. It's not really that hard. A couple of things. You can buy different glue, but I find that the gel, this is like a pink gel glue that comes inside the pack. My nails last the longest when I use that gel glue inside of the pack. So just use that glue and it's perfect. You can actually keep it for an extra week or two just to use it if one of your nails pops off or whatever. So I just keep doing the same process on both hands. And I do my thumbs last because I press down the nails and I don't want the pressure from pressing down the nails to pop my thumbnail off. So I do my thumbs last on both sides. And as you can see, that is it. Now that it's actually been placed on, we're just going to file the tips of the nails because there's like this little notch at the end of artificial nails that needs to be filed down. So I just use my emery board or the nail file that's in that little nail kit and I just file those down just to make them flat and look even. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Um, it looks really, really natural. I love these nails. I wear these nails forever and ever until I find a nail tech that I can actually trust. But let me know if y'all have done press-on nails and tell me what you think. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all would like to see my press on toenail, that sounds ridiculous. If y'all would like to see my press on toenail routine, please let me know down below. If y'all have any questions about this nail routine, please leave them down below. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'm back for good.